In this video, I will show you the locations of the AC high and low pressure service ports in a Kia Sportage, which are crucial for performing air conditioning maintenance like recharging the refrigerant or diagnosing AC problems. Take a closer look inside the engine compartment and you will see that both the low and high pressure service ports are conveniently located between the alternator and the windshield washer fluid reservoir. The low pressure port is located on the larger of the two lines, which runs from the compressor to the evaporator in the passenger compartment. To access the port, you will have to unscrew the plastic cap with the L symbol. The high pressure service port is located on the smaller of the two lines, which runs from the compressor to the condenser at the front of the vehicle. If you want to know which type of refrigerant your Kia Sportage uses, you will have to check the label under the hood. This label provides important information about the air conditioning system like the refrigerant type and its volume. Always refer to this label before performing any AC work to ensure you are using the correct refrigerant. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.